Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 10 ways to save money while losing weight. You may be aware of the health benefits of losing extra weight, but have you thought about the ways you'd save money if you achieve and maintain a healthy weight? Costs for doctor's visits are lower when you aren't sick as much. Your joints aren't strained by extra weight, so there are fewer knee issues and ankle sprains. You miss less work from illness related to an immune system that's not at its prime, and don't have to buy so many medications for obesity-related symptoms like acid reflux, diabetes, high blood pressure, or elevated cholesterol. But does it feel like you have to fork over bundles of money to lose those pounds? Everywhere you look, people advertise ways to spend on weight loss. Join this pricey gym, hire a trainer, buy those pre-made meals, buy expensive shakes and cleanses sold by a multi-level marketing scheme. But does lasting weight loss really have to cost so much financially? While some of these things can promote a jump start, and trainers can certainly get you moving, there are actually ways to save money and possibly even make a few bucks while dropping those unhealthy pounds. Here are 10 ideas. 10 ways to save money while losing weight. 1. Eat half or at least less of what you were previously eating. I'll start with something simple. Make the decision not to go back for seconds. You'll have leftovers for another meal. Eating smaller portions means you don't have to buy as much food. A great way to stretch the grocery budget. Restaurant portions can certainly be split most of the time and give you 2 meals for the price of one. 2. Cook with dried beans. As the main protein source for several meals a week, make a goal of testing and choosing several recipes. You can prepare that feature beans as the main protein source, and instead of grabbing cans, just cook them from dry. It's really not that hard if you plan ahead, and beans are one of the cheapest and healthiest protein sources around. If dried beans intimidate you, you can still save a bundle by going with canned beans. Just give them a good rinse to get the extra sodium off before cooking. Going partially vegetarian can be a huge boost to your health and add padding to your wallet, if done correctly. 3. Save on produce at the farmer's market. Go to the farmer's markets right before or at closing time. Frequently, the farmers just don't want to pack up the unsold merchandise to carry home and are interested in cutting deals. 4. Seek out free accountability. Accountability is one of the secrets to Weight Watchers' success. And while they are a great program, you might not be able to afford their fees. If you don't have friends or family dedicated to making long-term healthy changes alongside you, there are plenty of ways to get free accountability via social media. MyFitnessPal is great, and you can friend people through it for encouragement. Interacting with the weight loss blogging community. Start your own weight loss blog to chronicle your journey, or join my Fit Friday linkouts on my blog. Little progress notes, where you can enter your weekly successes and failures into the comments even if you don't have your own blog. 5. Don't buy soda. This is hard for a lot of people, but there is nothing beneficial they have to offer, even diet sodas. And they aren't cheap. Spend that money on some good produce instead. Pop a slice of cucumber, a wedge of lemon, or some mint leaves into your glass of ice water and enjoy. It might take some time, but go without soda for a while and see if your taste buds don't start craving water instead. 6. Grow your own veggies, at least your own herbs. You'll burn calories working out in the yard and get plenty of great healthy cheap food. 7. Stop buying and eating red meat on a regular basis. It's more expensive anyway, and numerous studies associate it with increased disease. 8. Make breakfast cereal at home with simple whole grain ingredients. Processed cereals are more expensive, and most have more sugar and preservatives than what you can make at home. You can find bulk bins at natural food stores, or even order them on Amazon. My most recent granola concoction is maple almond quinoa granola. 9. Earn money by making a diet bet. You don't have to be on The Biggest Loser to enter a weight loss competition these days. Diet Bet is one of several online contests that allow you to wager some money, usually $10 to $50, that you will be able to lose 4% of your body weight over 4 weeks' time. The number of people who enter each diet bet determines how big the pot is, and the pot is split only by the winners of the dit bet at the end. That's everyone who lost 4%. 10. Become familiar with Environmental Working Group's Dirty Dozen and Clean 15 lists, which are yearly updated rankings of produce with the most and the least amount of pesticide, according to testing. If you're on a limited food budget, don't stress over spending extra for organic. Any produce, even if not organic, is far better than no produce. Learn to wash your fruits and veggies well, peel them, etc. If you are worried about pesticides and can afford to spend a little more, just focus on buying organic versions of those fruits and veggies, listed high in the EWG's Dirty Dozen list. Don't bother forking out the cash for an organic fruit or veggie that's on the Clean 15 list, when the cheaper, conventional version probably doesn't have much pesticide residue anyway. These 10 steps can get you started toward a trimmer waist and a fatter wallet. Too much too soon, and you can get discouraged and give up quickly. You are in this for the long haul, so just accept that change can take time. Quit searching for overnight results and focus on positive changes you can stick with. Do you struggle with weight loss while trying to also stick to a budget? How do you save money while trying to lose weight? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel for more frugalism videos. Thank you for watching.